Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Well, I had to do this video, right? Like you see, today, there was a lot of stuff involved in the market. You can see that the market is closed. I mean, I'm referring to Friday and during the course of the week. Like, I need to show you this stuff. Remember, there was news happening on the KD pair, like on the Canadian. I think so. I need to show you guys, like a lot of you hear me talk about how the daily highs and the daily lows, they dominate this market and all that stuff. But like, let me illustrate this thing to you. Look, this is what was happening today. Like, you see, the market came to its highest point of the day over here. The market came to its highest point of the day over here. It came to the highest point of the day over there. And when it came to that highest point over there, it moved down like that and then formed an M setup. An M setup was formed. The only thing you were going to do in this instance was to risk about maybe 10 pips or so, knowing that the news was coming out. Look at that. You enter here and you risk about, I think you were going to risk about 20 pips and you were expecting 100 pips in return. Look at that. This is 98, or let's just say 101 pips in return. This is not the only place that I'm talking about. You can see, let's look at the KDJPY. The KDJPY, look at that. Look at what was happening. The market formed a W setup down here. It formed, look at that big W setup that was formed by the market. As soon as the market finishes forming that setup, you enter the trade. You don't need to worry yourself a lot about the news and all that stuff most of the times. Look at that. You could have caught yourself around 90 pips or 91 pips. Basically, let me also look at the other pair that was affected by news. Look at this setup. Look at this setup. This is a very, very big fat M being formed by the market. A big fat M being formed by the market. And look at the M setup. And immediately the market finishes the M setup. Look at what the market does. It moves down, not caring who is where and where they are. It has formed the high of the day. Why should you worry yourself? 109 pips in a space of about 30 minutes. That's about $1,090 in a space of about 30 minutes. How come? I don't understand. Because with this setup, even if you were not sure about the market, like maybe putting yourself in a safety place, the only thing you needed to do was to put your stop loss just above 20 pips above the high here. Just put it 20 pips. And you know, with that 20 pips, you're anticipating or expecting the market to reward you at least 100 pips. You put your check profit over there. You don't need to worry and watch the market unfold. You check. Like this is the power of this strategy. This is the power of these setups. They happen every single day. You choose a pair and I show it to you. Okay, let me go to the Euro USD. Let me go to the Euro USD and let's see what happened on Thursday. This was on Thursday. I mean, these days I'm beginning to love the Euro USD pair. I'm becoming a specialist on the Euro USDP, on the Euro USD and the GBP USD. Look at that M setup formed right there. This kind of stuff, like I teach this to my students, and they know when they see stuff like this that they're about to eat. You know what I mean? Like, look at that 68 pips or 69 pips, whatever the case may have been. At least my target is about 50 pips when I'm entering a trade. Is that simple? You don't need to worry yourself or stress yourself about a lot of things. The only thing you need to concern yourself about is the high of the day and the low of the day. That's that. And then you're done with the market. You get your money, you get out of the market. That's it. You are done. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I just wanted to show you, man, this is not a recruiting program. This is what we do in the market every single day. This is stuff that I'm showing you. It is happening to you in your eyes. You're seeing it. And I'm hearing a lot of testimonies from people who've been following my channel, people who've been learning a lot from my channel. I appreciate that. I appreciate it so much. Keep watching, keep tuned in. Follow us on Instagram. We're on Instagram, Forex Rockstar 01. Instagram, Forex Rockstar oh 01. Follow us. We're there and we're keeping you updated on the moves that we're making in the market. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.